Hello students. So in this tutorial we will learn about how we can download the Power BI desktop into our system and install it. All that you need to do is to go to Microsoft App Store and in the search bar write Power BI, and then you will see that this Power BI desktop option will be available. You need to download it. I have already downloaded it and it is present in my software setups folder. So we will not re-download it. Once you download the package, you need to double click it and open it. You need to select the language, click next, yes. We will wait for it to continue with the execution. Now you see, just click next. This is very easy. Like, I accept the terms in license agreement, next, next, and click install. Now it is already installed in my system, so I am not doing it again. When you click install, it will automatically be installed and a shortcut will be created into your desktop, and you can then use it without any problem. Thank you.